This is a Kenmore 70 series dryer. Down here, you see this clip? And there should be a clip down here. I somehow broke that clip. The replacement part for this dryer is W10854425. Okay, this is what the clip looks like out of its package. See this little hook there? You see the front panel door slides into that hook. And this actually hooks up into here. You see those opening spaces way down there at the bottom on that side? And there's an opening little space right there, way down there. See, I lift this up and I slip it onto that. And as I do that, I will move this forward. It's going to come loose when you take the front panel off. But you just lift it right back up. It's no problem. Front panel is fit on. I just slipped it onto those clips at the bottom. And I pushed this up, and that pushed up. Help me. I used some duct tape to hold this up. It will be felt on the inside of the dryer lid, and you want to fit that felt piece into the dryer drum, which I have done. Then you put these screws back here in this hole here, and over here, that hole there. I already have installed those. Now the next thing I do, reinstall the dryer controls. You just slip that on there. Slip it on. And I guess this, I'm going to guess this is its little thing to help keep the wires from falling down. So just put that little clip there. And now we've got that all attached. Yeehaw. I will take this off. See, it's looking just fine like this. Bring the lid down. And you just kind of bring it forward. Pull back, pull here, and just pull just slightly. You don't have to bang it or anything. It'll just fit right onto that thing. And I'll see these two little screw holes. Okay, see, I got those two screws in. Here's the lint thing. Just put that in there. And now this is as good as 30 years old. That's how old it is. But it works great. All it needed was a tiny little clip, $6.68. So, hope this helps.